bringing you the maintenance of QYD full hydraulic drill rigs. Firstly, the issue of the hydraulic oil tank heating up. 1. Insufficient hydraulic oil. Check the oil level before using the machine. 2. Insufficient cooling water. Add cooling water. The oil pump does not discharge oil, or the oil discharge volume is insufficient. The motor runs slowly and lacks power. The operating handle is not in place, and the oil supply is insufficient. Move the handlebar to the correct position. The power head cannot move forward or backward. The oil circuit pressure is too low. Adjust the propulsion oil circuit pressure. Next is the maintenance of the QYD full hydraulic drill. After a certain period of operation, if the hydraulic oil changes color, deteriorates, or has a reduced viscosity, it must be replaced immediately. Add engine oil to the mud pump oil tank. Add cooling water to the cooling water tank. Charging of battery box. This is the simple troubleshooting and maintenance of the QYD full hydraulic drill.